it's Sam. So today I'm gonna do a massive Walmart, Target, Amazon, Marshalls. Basically it's a birthday Valentine's Day haul. So obviously, she just go potty, doesn't she? Unbelievable. As you guys know, Valentine's Day is on Friday and Phoenix's birthday is on Thursday. So he will be turning 9, which is crazy to think that I have a 9-year-old. I don't feel old enough to have a 9-year-old. He ended up like sending me a few links of the things that he wanted, which still haven't arrived, and I'm hoping they're gonna get here because I did have Amazon Prime and they're not here yet. But I'm just gonna show you the stuff that I did get. Start off with Walmart, I suppose. So I just went there last night. So they had these big massive bags, but they were kind of a lot for like Walmart, I thought. I don't know. They were $4.97, I believe. It's kind of a lot for a bag, right? I don't know, maybe I'm crazy. I got them 2 little balloons. So one says, I love you with the little red, and one says Happy Valentine's Day with the pink. I know that Lily's gonna read this and be like, why doesn't my balloon say I love you? But I got it because of the pink little, I thought that would be cute for her, but she's one of those people that like when she gives out her Valentine's, she's like, I'm not gonna give this to so-and-so. I don't mean that. Like she's very literal. So we'll see. Then for Phoenix, I got a little calendar because he keeps on saying he wants a calendar for his bedroom. So this is like a nature one, and it was $4.97, but it has some really cool pictures of like waves and lava and all that kind of stuff. So I thought that he would like that. And then I got this super cute little fox for him. Isn't that so adorable? He does still like stuffed animals. I think he likes to act like he's like, I'm over that, but I see him snuggling with them at night. So I got him that. I mean, you're never too old for a stuffed animal, are you? And then I got them the Ferrero Rocher little hearts. They really like those. They're super yummy. I got some Valentines for the teachers. So Lily has 2 teachers. So I got, these were I think at Target, and these were 2, what was it? 2 for $8 or 2 for $6, I don't know, something like that. So I got 4 of those. So I got 1 for Jay from me. We don't really do Valentine's Day. I mean, we bought bikes for each other this year. But then I got 3 for the teachers. I usually end up, whether it's Easter or Valentine's Day, back when it was like colder where we lived, I usually end up getting their swim stuff for Easter. But this year, like it's so warm here that I was like, I'm just gonna get their new swim stuff for Valentine's Day, and I just like get all of their swim stuff for the summer for Valentine's Day or Easter, and then I just give it to them then, and then they have stuff. Lily wanted a bunch of swimsuits, so I was like, okay, well, I'll just get her swimsuits and I'll get him swimsuits. They just, I don't know what to get them anymore. They're honestly so difficult. And when I ask, I'm like, Phoenix, what do you want for your birthday? He's like, I really don't know. And I'm like, I don't know what to do with you people. He did break his sunglasses the other day, so I did get these for him for Valentine's Day. These were from Target. They are by Art Class, and I think these are really cute. And then I got this really cute little sunglass case because he always breaks his sunglasses. And this, I think, was also by Art Class, but it's just like a cute little shark, so hopefully he will actually take care of his glasses. We'll find out. I might just stick, no, that's got a thing on. I don't know. And then I thought this hat was really cute. This is by Art Class as well. Isn't that fun? I love the coloring of it. It's really pretty. So I got him that for the pool. I got him this cute little fanny pack, which is super fun. I love the strap. It looks very kind of Aztec. It says chill vibes only. I think this is by Art Class as well. And then I got them some mini eggs just because they absolutely love mini eggs, and I had to find them something from Cadbury for Valentine's Day. And then I got them some Haribo watermelon. Lily saw these when we were shopping, and so she said that she wanted those. And then I did, of course, get them each a little lint truffle. So then for Phoenix, part of this is Marshalls, part of this is Target. So I think this one's Target, yeah. This is by Cat and Jack, and it's just a little rash guard. This says set sail for adventure. So that was Cat and Jack. Or was it Art Class? Hold on a minute. Yeah, that's Cat and Jack. This one is Art Class, and it's got like that little kind of ombre sunset. It's really pretty actually. Look at the colors. Is it gonna show? Yeah, there we go. It's nice. And then I got him these cute little shorts to match. Aren't those pretty? Those ones are Cat and Jack. And then these ones I found at Marshall's. I thought those were super fun. They're like all neon. I know neon is like super in right now. So those are Hurley. And then these ones are Art Class. Just nice little stripes with the pocket. And then again, I found these coral neon ones from Marshall's, and these are Hurley as well. We spend so much time at the pool and at the beach once the weather gets warmer. So I just figured I would go ahead and just get them a ton of stuff just so that you don't constantly have, you know, you don't have to rewear the same ones, because then I feel like they get worn down from the chlorine. Okay, I found this little cute card for him at Marshall's. We always joke that he's a sloth because he's so slow at everything he does. Like you say, Phoenix, go get your shoes on, and it's like like slow motion. So I got him that for his birthday. This is more for his birthday stuff. So he wanted a jump rope. They've been doing jump rope at school, and he said he wanted a new one for himself. So Lily picked that out for him. Next we have the Logitech wireless ultra portable mouse. He asked for that for his computer. And then I thought it'd be really fun to get him a little bike bell so that he can ding 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 as he's riding with his friends. And then he also asked for this, I guess it's like a stylus pen for his computer. I don't know, his computer is one of those things that it's like touchscreen and a computer. I'm not really sure. But he asked for this. He sent me the link to it, so I figured I would get him that. I think I got this on Amazon. It wasn't too expensive. I think it was like 20 bucks or something like that. Okay, then for Lily, she picked this out from Marshall's for Valentine's Day. It's like, I can't even surprise the kids anymore. They're just at that age where they're like, they're hard to shop for because I don't want to like get them the wrong thing and then it'd be a waste of money. I'm trying to tie this bow, but it's not very easy. So she just told me all the stuff she wanted. So I got her this cute little bear, and then it comes with, it must be like body lotion and yeah, body wash. That was from Marshall's. And then I got her some truffles as well. She picked out this hat from Target for the pool and the beach. And then she snuck into these while we were shopping. I'm gonna try one. I don't know, I'll just fold it up and put it in there. Oh, those are weird. I don't like those whatsoever. They taste so fake. Okay, I got her some sparkly Cadbury mini eggs. She picked out these. Oh, this tastes like I'm eating body wash. I don't know how kids like this stuff. I don't like candy. Yeah, I don't like it at all. I only like chocolate. Okay, these are the Sweetzimals. I literally feel like I just sprayed like Victoria's Secret body wash and body spray in my mouth. I don't know, she picked them out. And then I got this cute little outfit for her. I picked out a little shirt for Phoenix for Valentine's Day, but it hasn't arrived yet from Amazon. What does this say? Love is magical, and it has a unicorn. This was from Marshall's, and it comes with the cute little tutu and a little heart headband, which is pretty adorable. And then she picked out all these bathing suits. We literally tried on bathing suits for her for so long. So these are kind of fun. They have like the long sleeves, but then they're like a bathing suit. And this one says, mermaids have fun. And then the whole arm looks like scales, which is really cute. And then she also picked out this one that looks like mermaid scales. This little one that looks like just a fun party. Look at that. It is so bright. She's so like, she's very bright. Her style is very out there and very colorful and like a rainbow. And she picked out this neon orange unicorn swimsuit. And then this is like a little sequin mermaid skirt that goes over your swimsuit, which is so cute. She loves that. I think this is something that I would have worn when I was little. It's very neon and kind of like, isn't it? Doesn't it remind you of something that you would wear when you were little if you're my age? So cute. It's like all neon. It's really hard to show the neon in this camera for some reason, but it's really cute. Then she picked out these little, it's like cute little nails, like fake nails. You guys see that? It's from Marshall's. It's like a little nail set, like a manicure set for kids. Phoenix wanted a new soccer ball. I got him this really cool thing, and I don't know what this is called. And they can like throw the little hacky sack sandbag or whatever it's called into it. Do you guys know what I mean? I don't know what they're called. Beanbag toss. I got this at Target. It wasn't very expensive. It was like 40 bucks. So I got him that, and I thought that would be so fun for him and his friends to play. And then I got him a bunch more of the little bean bags. So I got blue ones, and then I also got red ones. So now he's got tons. I got some wrapping paper. And then I still have a couple things that I'm waiting on. There you guys go. There is everything that I got from Target, Walmart, Marshalls, and Amazon. And now I've got to wrap all of this up, and then Jay and I are gonna film our bachelor chat. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and enjoyed this video. I love you, and I'll see you guys again soon.